So you just want to use it sparingly then?
What? What are you doing?
Oh, I was just checking out your technique on using the spray nine. You just use all of it.
Well, you just saturate it.
Oh, you won't take a swig out of that. Oh, it's just faster than fermenting.
Yeah. Well, you gotta let it work its magic.
I bet you I could get Felon to swig that for half a bag of cigarettes. Maybe even less, like 12 cigarettes. Oh,
wow. That's a good time. You could use that for dubs.
Right. Had a problem with my heater box today. What happened? In the heater box, somebody broke the fucking hinge on the flapper door, so we'll just call all these lost now. So let's have a gander here. What do we got here? Flapper door there. And there's your culprit. Look at all this shit in there. Oh my goodness gracious. What's really going on? Oh, I see what's happened here. It's a false alarm this whole time. This has just been pulled up. Somebody just got overzealous and probably just thundered onto it. If you don't want to go, you just want to take a hammer to it and just start f***ing thundering. See what I did right there? Fixed it! Couple f***ing swats of the old ball peen. Just slides on this rail here. It just slid out. Forthwith the pin wasn't protruding. Protruding. That's some good stuff. I wonder if I have any foam accent rubbers. Full body off restoration on this here unit here, guys. How's the cup holder restoration coming?
It's good. A lot of nooks and crannies into her since it's never been done in its entire life.
It's never been removed and cleaned? By the clean department?
Oh. Apparently you don't need to do that in wood custom, You just wait until it starts getting that nice aroma, then you can quit buying scent little Christmas trees for your truck and stuff.
Yeah, it just smells like dog piss.
Just the aroma comes up. Nope, never have to clean it. That's why you gotta drive around with windows open and stuff.
Yeah, because it just fucking stinks. That'd be great. That'd be great. You want coffee?
What?
Coffee?
No.
Oh, I apologize. Let's see. See how you did. I missed a spot. There's a big sticky thing on the bottom there.
Oh
Covered
no,
shut.
that's for when that closes. It's the guy.
Oh, it's the guy for when it closes. Oh, I apologize.
You don't want to rattling around in there. It might disturb some of the other sound.
Mm. Well, while you were playing fiddlesticks, I was rebuilding a heater box. No big deal. Decent. Crawdad, give her a little spray 9, and then we'll be ready to rock.
Quit hard.
Quit hard? Can't really see that one, but should be able to hear the authenticity. That works a lot better. So we'll just slide this guy over here. Crawdad's fucking station. Dad.
I'm sorry, I'm retired.
You tired?
Quit.
What happened?
Broke it. Oh, broke
It's
it.
just half job season. No big deal.
Oh, that's the cheese right there, buddy. You want some of that? That's the kind right there.
You gotta make sure that you have every possible surface already took up with stuff, so that you have to use the top of the toolbox to rebuild your heater box and your spatometer. So I'm hoping we can just claw that guy out right there and then put in a one that's a little bit of a GPS for 80, and then we also got a spot here for another gauge. Look at that, she pops right out of there, boys. Decent. We don't need this anymore because we don't got no. Oh no, wait, hold on. That's 4-wheel drive and service engine soon. Look at that. It's got the 4-wheel drive on the 2-wheel drive. It's weird. Different lights for different shit, I suppose. Oh, that's the blinkers, probably. Maybe. I don't know. It's hard to tell. But we definitely should be able to stab it, cut all this bullshit out and mount a GPS spatometer in there. That'd be cool. Find another gauge. What are we missing? Got oil pressure, battery, water temp, and this is the fuel gauge over here. We're gonna have a hard time seeing what we're doing if you're not even looking. Look at this. Brand new. Freaking decent. So silly. Hey?
Looks pretty good.
Right? Gotta figure out what we're gonna do for vacuum. I mean, it's got this vacuum pump on the guy, but I don't know how we're gonna control it. That's the only thing. Guess you're gonna just have a valve in the in the cabin to still right down there, right in here. That's where I had it. There's a Crawdad had it. Freaking Montgomery Gentry showed up with a box. This is Lab on the side of it. Couldn't tell what we might have got. Said they were fucking with it though. Must have fucked it over. Clamps. More clamps. Pipe. More pipe. Oh my God, look at all the pipe. Nice. More clamps. Nice. Scores. Oh, look at this. Got a friggin' intake friggin' stove pipe too. There's no horn on it though, so no what's up with that, but scores. Friggin' scores. Let's try laying it out and see what components we got. This is like the exhaust out of like a 2016 like Ford or something like that, but I just told them, you know, we make work. We don't need you know, too much. But this thing's like 17 miles long, so we have plenty of pipe to work with here. Scores. The next couple of days or whenever we'll have to get the cab up there and we'll make it all work out. Get the fuel tank straps, fuel tank, fuel lines wired to the back tail lights, and the frame washed again, and then proceed.
Oh, something wrong.
Oh, they don't. The holes were never. It's just a hole, right? There's no thread, right? So you gotta
just crank them?
You gotta make your own threads.
Oh, so you want me to break it?
Well, if you can round it off. I've got to leave the bottom one open for wiring purposes on that side, but on this side you'd hardly be the wiser. They're not a movie. Careful. Scores.